guys, we are going to do some maths today because I know now in my class and Mrs. Wyatt's class have some column addition to do for their home learning. So first of all we're going to have a look at some column addition with no carrying, and then we're going to progress to have a look at it with carrying. Remember, that's when it adds up to more than 10. So first of all, I've got my whiteboard which says 132 add 246. Okay, so my first step, remember, for my column addition is to line my numbers up into their hundreds, tens and ones. So let's do that now. Make sure you put them in the right column and don't squeeze them up, because that is when it gets a little bit tricky and we get confused. So can anyone remember what column do we need to start with? Well done. It is my ones column. Don't rush in and go into my hundreds, otherwise we might get a bit confused later on. So make sure we start with our ones. Remember, biggest number in your head, count on. So which number's bigger, 2 or 6? Well done, it is the 6. So 6 in our head, count 2 on. 7, 8. Right, follow it down, put the 8 into your ones column. Make sure it's right underneath those numbers, so it's not in any other, it's not in the tens column or the hundreds. Now we're going to move on to my tens column, not my hundreds. I'd be rushing ahead too quickly. So tens, okay, biggest number in our head, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, make sure it goes right underneath those numbers in my tens column. Now my hundreds, 2 add 1. We should all be able to do that without adding that on in our head. What is it? Fantastic, it is 3. Well done. So my answer is 378. Now we're going to move on to doing one with carrying. So remember, that's when the numbers add up to more than 10, because you need to exchange those 10 spots for 1 stick, don't you? So, let me think of a sum. 249 add 300, we're getting big now, and 27. Remember, first step, line them up into my hundreds, tens and ones. So I'm going to put my hundreds, tens and ones. Right. Who remembers what column do I start with? Fantastic, well remembered from my first example, it is the ones. So 9 add 7. This is going to be a big number. Can you count with me? Put 9 in your head. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Wow, that equals more than 10, doesn't it? This is what the number 16 looks like. 1 in my tens column and a 6 in my ones column. Now, what am I meant to do now? Right, I just said we've got a 6 in our ones column, so that is what we need to put in my ones column in my answer box. And remember, I'm going to exchange those 10 spots for 1 stick. So I'm going to put that 1 underneath here. I'm going to keep him safe. Okay, this time I'm going to move to my tens column. Biggest number in our head, so 4 in our head, let's count together. 5, 6, don't forget this extra 1, 7. Well done. Right, 3 add 2. We did this one. Oh, no we haven't. 3 add 2. 3, 4, 5. Does anyone know what this number is? Can you say it to somebody at home? Well done, it is 576. So that is our video for today, guys. Remember, happy home learning and stay safe. Bye.